Installing the Murano shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely leveled. Mark the mounting points of the wall profiles. It is very important that the wall profiles are completely leveled. For proper insulation, it is important to run the back of the wall consoles with sealer or adhesive before attaching them to the wall. The aluminium profiles are fitted to the shower tray and then fixed vertically to the wall. The fixed glass walls are slid into the profiles, and then the bottom of the glass is secured using the brackets. The glass is then secured with screws. After assembly, the upper L profile is placed on top of the fixed glass walls and the shower cubicle is adjusted after measuring the water level. After adjustment, the L profile is fixed to the wall and then the glass walls are secured. Attach the door hinges to the fixed glass wall. If necessary, you can loosen the fixed glass clamps to adjust the shower enclosure. Install the handles. Place the watertight slats on the bottom of the glass door. Install the watertight plastic slats. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.